Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to add another account on Snapchat. So once you are already here on your main account, all you have to do is to simply log out. And to do that, go to your profile and then click the setting icon on the right top corner of your screen. Scroll down until you will be able to see the logout button. So now that you have logged out, you might be able to switch account or sign up. And of course, you will be adding a new account, so just click sign up. Now once you have clicked sign up, you will be able to create an account, so just simply follow the steps. Of course, you will need a new number, or all those informations must be new. Your name doesn't need to be new, but you have to use a new username. You can use a new phone number, or a new email. And that's how you make or add a new account on your Snapchat.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.